Start Module 5 now. You've scanned your domain. Now let's fix it. Fast. SPF, DKIM, DMARC. Let's set them up. Step by step. Step 1. SPF Sender Policy Framework. You add SPF as a TXT record in your DNS provider. Like this. This line authorizes trusted senders. Each include grants permission. Like this one, miss one, and mail can fail. Add to many, and the record breaks. We fix this by flattening and optimizing the record. Step 2. DKIM. Domain keys identified mail. One key lives on your server, one in DNS. You'll get this from your provider. You copy, paste it as a TXT record. Here's what that looks like. The host name usually looks like this. Long keys break if not formatted right. We format and test it before saving. DKIM working equals email integrity verified. Step 3. DMARC. The bouncer with the clipboard. You set a policy, known, quarantine, or reject. Start with P equals known to observe activity. You'll receive reports, but they look like this. We decode that mess into a clean visual summary. Once confident, set P equals reject to block spoofing. Your record may look like this, with a reporting address. This lets you track who's impersonating you. It's another TXT record, added in your DNS. Done right, it stops fakes instantly. You might be wondering, can I do this myself? The answer is yes, you can, but it takes precision. One typo can break everything. SPF can fail from excess lookups. DKIM selectors must match exactly. A semicolon in the wrong place equals failure. This is technical work, not trial and error. We've done it hundreds of times, perfectly. Sure, you can do it, but why risk the engine? So here's the question. Do you want to tinker, or trust it's done right? Want us to do it? We've got you. Want help doing it? We'll coach you. Trusted by small teams who don't want to mess this up. Legal, finance, e-com, education. We've done it all. But setup is just the start. Our tools keep watching. Long after setup, you'll see real reports on spoof attempts. We catch them before they reach inboxes. Clients see bounce rates drop, and delivery go up. Your reputation gets stronger over time. Here's the full picture. Lock, block, watch. We don't just set it up. We help you sleep better. Want it done right? Or want to learn it right? Book your setup, or book expert guidance. Navigate to what you need at www.DMARCflow.com. No pressure. We're here when you're ready. Whatever you choose, your domain is already safer.